my Christmas Day sensory circuit. Step 1, alerting. First of all, we're going to do star jumps to really fun and upbeat Christmassy music. But when the music stops, you have to freeze and then go again. Are you ready? Now our heartbeats are running really fast. Now it's time for step 2, organising. Get some wrapping paper and see how many pieces you can tear it into. This helps organise our bodies and calms our heart rate. Now it's time for step 3, grounding. Grab a blanket, extra points if it's weighted, and we're going to turn ourselves into pigs in blankets. Lay the blanket on the floor, and then we're going to roll ourselves up into the blanket. Ooh, giving ourselves a lovely big squeeze, and then unroll them when they're ready. Hopefully you enjoy this Christmas sensory circuit and it helps you stay regulated throughout the festive period.